like a whispering vow, and the sun forgets to rise somehow. If my name is dust on your window pane, and my voice is lost in the falling rain, will you walk the road where the wild grass waves past crooked stones and forgotten names? When the world is moved on, brave and fast, and I'm just a shadow in the past. I was never gold, I was never brave, I was just a heart that learned to ache. I carried my sins like a pocket of stones, built all my dreams out of fragile bones. I laughed too loud, I trusted wrong, I stayed too short, I stayed too long. But every step that I ever made was walking toward you unafraid. If the night gets heavy, if the sky caves in, if the silence screams where I've been, don't curse the dark, don't beg the light, just promise me this one last ride. Stand by my grave when the world forgets my name, when the flowers fade and the stone turns gray. Don't kneel in sorrow, don't pray for me, just stand there quiet and let me be. Tell me the truth you were scared to say. Tell me you lived, tell me you stayed when every fire I ever gave is cold in the ground. Stand by my grave. I remember nights we swore were endless, cheap red wine and borrowed hope. We stitched our hearts with foolish promises, tied them tight with fraying rope. We said forever's just a word they sell, but still we bought it, paid in full. We danced like ghosts before the fall, convinced we'd never break it all. I saw the cracks before they showed, felt the weight of the coming snow. Every smile was a practiced lie, every goodbye a small goodbye. I tried to be what you needed most, a solid man, a steady post. But storms don't care for good intent, they take what little shelters left. So if you hear my echo late at night, in passing cars or broken light, don't chase my voice, Don't call my name, just do the one thing that remains. Stand by my grave when the world forgets my name, when the flowers fade and the stone turns gray. Don't kneel in sorrow, don't pray for me, just stand there quiet and let me be. Tell me this truth you were scared to say. Tell me you lived, tell me you stayed when every fire I ever gave is cold in the ground. Stand by my grave. Bring no roses stolen from pain, no holy words that sound rehearsed. I don't need heaven explained again, or hell described in careful verse. Just tell me how the river runs, if the old bar closed, if the war is done. Tell me if the kids still dream, if love survived the in-between. Did you learn to forgive yourself? Did you lay your weapons down? Did you stop measuring your worth by who stayed or walked out of town? Did you find a peace I couldn't hold, a quiet strength that doesn't fold? If you